All right, so the USGS, they make maps at a scale of 1 to 24,000. And so we want to figure out how far we live from our house. And we live on the map, or sorry, how far do we live from our work or our school? In my case, that's one and the same. So we have 15 inches from this house on the map. Rounding to the nearest tenth of the mile, I'm going to circle that so I remember that, tenth of a mile. How many miles is it to school from home? All right. Well, let's first figure out how many inches he lives from school. So if we're at 15 inches, if we're at 15 inches, and each inch is equal to 24,000 inches in real life, we need to multiply them together. And when we do that, I'm not going to do that in my head. We have 24 and 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. And multiply that by 15. And we get 36, so, and 4 zeros. So let's put in our commas. So that's 360,000 inches. Now, I don't really know how far that is. I mean, it's in inches. I really want this in miles, right? So we need to figure out how many inches are in a mile. Well, being here in Denver, we should know that 5,280 feet are in a mile, and there are 12 inches in a foot. So 5,280 times 12 is equal to 63,360. So how are we going to figure out how many miles there are in this? Well, we're just going to divide the number of, we're going to divide the number of inches it is total by the number of inches in a mile. So we have 3, 6, 0, 2, 3. We're going to divide it by 6, 3, 3, 6, 0, and we get 5.681 miles. Now, we want to the nearest tenth, so we have to look one beyond tenth, in this case hundredth. If it's 8, or if it's 5 or more, we have to round up. So the correct answer is 5.7. All right, number 4. So number 4 says, what is the grade, let A, B, C, D, E, and F be distinct, that means they can't repeat, digits greater than 1. If A times B times C over D times E times F is a terminating decimal, what is 10 times the largest possible value? Well, clearly we want the largest numbers on top. So we go 9 times 8 times 7. And we're going to divide it by the least numbers possible. And the least numbers possible are 4 times 3 times 2. Okay, so 9 times 8 times 7, not 77, just 7. 405, or 504, over, well, 3 times 2, that's 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So we're going to divide this by 24. And I get 21. Now, we don't want the actual number. We want 10 times the largest number, because it says 10 times right here. So 10 times 21 is 210. And that's it.